Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. You are watching YouTube and Facebook channels of Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi. Welcome to the lecture number 30 of Software Economics course. The topic of coverage is objectives of formal technical review. The main objectives of formal technical review are to uncover errors in the function, logic or implementation, verify that software meet the requirements of the customer or the document we have prepared like project specs, function specs, design specs or technical specs, code specs, maintenance document, testing document. It is according to the customer requirements. To ensure that software has been represented according to the predefined standards of the company in terms of coding standards, in terms of process standards, quality standards, and software is developed in a uniform manner. The graphical user interfaces are uniform, like any software from Microsoft has the same interface, title bar, toolbar, menu bar, toolbox. From the aesthetic look and feel should be the same and should be uniform throughout the interfaces, and to make project manageable. So we can review our milestone that we have achieved the milestone or we have not completed it, like the case of sprint review or the case of post-mortem analysis. Our next topic is critical path modeling. Critical path is the longest path to complete the project, and then we have to calculate the slack time, the maximum amount of time an activity can be delayed without delaying the entire project. We have critical path modeling as a network diagram. Example 1 of critical path modeling, we have path A and path B. Path A 5 plus 5 10 days. Path B 7 plus 4 11 days. So path B is critical. Fixed project cost is $100 per day. What is the lowest cost time schedule we need to calculate? We have this table. From this table we can see the activities, maximum time reduction, that how much an activity can be reduced, how many days an activity can be reduced, the time reduction cost in terms of overtime or extra money we need to spend, like 1 to 2 we have 2 days reduction maximum, $50 for the first day, $50 for the second day. 1 to 3 we have 2 days reduction, 55 for the first day, 65 for the second day. 2 to 4 economically not possible, not feasible. 3 to 4 maximum 3 days, $60 first for the first day, $120 for the second, and $120 for the third day. The fixed project cost is $100 per day. We need to calculate what is the lowest cost time schedule. Path B is critical. 7 plus 4 11 days. Total project cost 11 into 100, $1,100 is the project cost. Path B is critical. As per the table, we can reduce 1 to 3 for 2 days at the cost of 55, because first day is 55. 3 to 4 we can reduce 3 days, so first day's cost of 3 to 4 is $60. If we compare 55 with 60, 55 is economical, so we'll cut down 1 day from 1 to 3, because path B is critical. So when we cut down 1 day from 1 to 3, 6 days. So path A 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 4 10. Now both are critical. So revised path 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 4 10, and fixed cost, now there are 10 days, 110 1000. Extra cost we spent, as we can see from the table, 55 to reduce 1 day from 1 to 3, $55. How much is the saving? 1100, which was the actual cost, minus 1000 plus 55, so $45 is the saving, and we reduce 1 day. Now we go back to our table. Now we have 1 to 3, 2 days, so second day cost is 65. 3 to 4, the first day cost, because we did not reduce anything, so 3 to 4 first day cost is 60. We compare 65 with 60, 60 is economical, so we'll cut down 1 day from 3 to 4. Path A, 1 to 2, we can reduce 2 days. We have 2 to 4 economically not possible, so we will cut down 1 day from 1 to 2, and the cost is 50. And 3 to 4 cost is 60. We cut down 1 day from 1 to 2, it will become 4. So 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 9, 9. Now both are critical. 100 into 9, 900. So from path A, 1 to 2, extra cost $50. And from 3 to 4, extra cost is 60. Saving is 1100 minus 900 plus 50 plus 60 plus 55 for the first day. $35 saving, and we reduce 2 days. So we will go back to our table. Can we reduce further? So we can reduce 2 days. So we have cut down only 1 day from 1 to 2. So second day cost is again 50. And from 1 to 3, the second day cost is 65. Whereas 3 to 4, second day cost is 120. 65 is economical as compared to 120. Cut down 1 day from 1 to 3. 3 plus 5, 8 from path A, and 5 plus 3, 8. Because we cut down 1 day from 1 to 3, it will become 5. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8, 8. 100 into 8, 800. Extra cost we spend from path A, 1 to 2, $50. And from 1 to 3, 65. Saving is 1100, which is our actual project cost, minus 800 plus 50 plus 65 plus 50 for the previous day plus 60 for the previous day and 55 for the first day. $20 saving, and we cut down 3 days. We will go back to our table. Can we reduce further? 1 to 2, maximum 2 days reduction. So we already cut down 2 days from path A. So that is critical, because 3 to 4 even we can reduce, but there is no benefit because 1 to 2 path A maximum we can reduce 2 days, and we already cut down 2 days. So we achieve the critical path, that is 8 days, and we save $20 as well. That is the exercise number 1. So we stop our calculation till we achieve the critical path. So we have 5 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 6, 10. Path A, 9, path B, 10. Fixed cost is $90 per day. So we need to calculate the lowest time schedule. So activity 1 to 2, we can reduce 2 days at the cost of $40 for first day, $40 for the second day. 1 to 3, 2 days, 35 for the first, 80 for the second. 2 to 4, economically not feasible. 3 to 4, we can cut down 3 days, 45 for the first, 110 for the second, 110 for the third. Path B is critical, 6 plus 4, 10, because this is the longest path. Project cost is 6 plus 4, 10, 10 into 90, which is the fixed cost per day, $900. Path B is critical, so we'll cut down 1 day from path B. 1 to 3, 35. First day cost, 3 to 4, first day cost is 45. So 35 is economical, so we'll cut down 1 day from 1 to 3. It will become 3. 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 6, 9. 90 into 9, 810. Extra cost 35. 900 minus 810 plus 35, so $55 is the saving. Now we'll go to our table. Can we reduce path A? Yes, we can reduce. 1 to 2, we can reduce 2 days. $40 for the first day because it's the first day. And from 1 to 3, it is the second day. In case of path B, we can cut down at the cost of $80 extra cost. 3 to 4, because we have not cut down, so it's the first day for the 3 to 4, so 45. We'll compare 80 with 45. So 45 is economical, we'll cut down 1 day from 3 to 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. So 8 days, 90 into 8, fixed cost $720. Extra cost 40 for the 1 to 2 and $45 for 1 to 3. 900, which is the actual cost, minus 720 plus 40 plus 45 plus 35 for the first day. $60 is the saving, and we cut down 2 days. Now we go back to our table. Can we reduce further? Yes. Path A can be reduced 2 days because 1 to 2 we have maximum 2 days reduction. So it is the second day for the 1 to 2, cost is $40. In case of 1 to 3, second day cost is $80. Second day cost 3 to 4 is 110. 80 versus 110, 80 is economical. We'll cut down 1 day from 1 to 3. So 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 90 to 7, 630. Cost reduction 40 for the path A, 80 for the path B, saving 900 minus 630 plus 40 plus 45 plus 35 plus 120, 40 plus 80. So $30 is the saving. Now we go back to our table. Can we reduce further? Path A, 1 to 2, maximum 2 days reduction. So we cannot reduce further. We already achieved the critical path. But even we can reduce the path B. Path A is critical with the 7 days. So this is the lowest cost time schedule. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.